Okay, y'all think that's sucking wet? What y'all think? Sucking wet or long? I think it's soaking wet, y'all. I don't know, y'all. Let's trust the process. Hey, you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley, and in today's video, we're going to be using the Doux bananas. It's an Xtreme gel or whole gel. And this is compared to the B-Girl custard. I know last week, or in my last video, I said I was going to be using Chief Rocka or Flat Twist, but we're going to switch it up. I'm going to switch it up today. I seen that Bananas has came out. She dropped it. And when I say she, I mean the owner of the Doux. So she dropped the not B-Girl child. She dropped Bananas. So I want to use it. And I know I'm not a wash and go girly, but we're going to be using this as a wash and go. And we're going to see. Because in my other video, I seen y'all comments and I seen that y'all was giving me tips and tricks and stuff to do to get a good wash and go. So I'm gonna use some of y'all tips and tricks to see if I get a good wash and go using a gel instead of a mousse. Now on the Instagram, I was looking on the Doux Instagram, and the owner, Maya, I think that's her name, she was saying that, and I'm gonna read it straight from the Instagram. She was saying the difference between the Bananas and the B-Girl. She says that the B-Girl is it's a very strong hold with a faster drying time. And when she's talking about the curl custard. And y'all, if y'all know me, I'm a girl. I love this custard. I'm a girl that like a strong hold. So this one is my favorite. We can see what this is about. But she says the banana, it's more versatile, stays wet longer, meaning your hair stays wet longer, and can be watered down for easier styling and more volume. So we about to put Bananas to the test. Okay. And we're gonna do a wash and go. We're gonna see. Hopefully it's not an epic fail like my other video when I used the Chief Rocka and I was like, no. I'm not a wash and go girly, but we're gonna try with Bananas. So let me go off camera per usual. I'm gonna be shampooing with Ladies First shampoo and conditioning my hair with Supersonic conditioner. This is all from the B-Girl collection. And yeah, I am running low on the shampoo and the conditioner. Times is hard. I'm gonna have to use something else in a minute. But anyway, let me go off camera and go wash my hair, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And I shampooed and conditioned my hair. And also I want to say that I did see y'all comments on my video, on the epic fail video of the wash and go. And so I'm gonna take y'all advice and we're going to try to do another wash and go with Bananas, okay? One of the tips I seen was to shingle. So I'm gonna shingle. Another tip was to make sure my hair is soaking wet. So we're gonna make sure my hair is soaking wet. Also, there was another tip saying take smaller sections, take your time. So I'm gonna do this in small sections. Also, I'm gonna give my my first impressions of this, okay? So I'm gonna talk about how this feels on my hair, I guess. Do that, and I got this plastic cap over my head just so my hair won't dry out too bad. I'm really making sure I'm getting my roots wet as possible. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. Okay, y'all think that's soaking wet? What y'all think? Soaking wet or no? I think it's soaking wet, y'all. It smells good. It don't remind me of bananas though. Hold on. This is how much I'm using. Hold on, y'all. Let me get it to focus. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. It definitely feels like a gel. It definitely has a great slip. It definitely spreads easily too. Okay, so let me take a small section. So this is a small section, y'all. I hope y'all can see that. So I'm gonna go through and shingle. I'm just making sure it's on the roots. I don't know, y'all. Let's trust the process. Now I will say, I wish I could just dip my hands in it and grab it, you know, dip my hands in it and grab it, apply it to my hair. That's the only thing I'm seeing right now, because having to pick up this bottle, put it in your hands, for me, that's doing too much. But we just gonna have to do what it do. Okay, y'all, here's the back. This is how it's looking so far. And when I tell y'all, I am tired. And I still have the front to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the front. But what I can tell y'all is, or what I can tell you that I'm noticing is that after I wet my hair and it's soaking wet, you know how your hair be dripping water? When I apply the gel, the water stopped dripping. So it looks like the gel is catching the water. Also, I'm noticing that the gel is not watered down. I like that. And I noticed that it doesn't really smell like bananas, like the gel, but it kind of smells like bananas. It's not a strong smell of bananas, but it's like a hint of it. I am noticing that it is staying wet. My hair is staying wet longer. Like this side here is still wet. I am noticing that, and it's taking me forever to shingle all this hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the front off camera. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna diffuse my hair off camera too, like blow dry my hair with the diffuse attachment. I'm gonna do that off camera as well because this girl is tired, okay? And I'm pretty sure y'all just want to see the finished results. So let me go ahead and go finish my hair, and I'm gonna come back once it's all dry, okay? All right. Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair is looking. I would say it's about 95% dry. Where it's not dry, it's like really close to the roots. And y'all, I'm so sleepy and tired. I want to bring y'all this video, or not video, I want to go ahead and record this part before I go to sleep and mess up my hair. Probably gonna mess it up, I don't know. I'm sleepy, but this is how it turned out. The back look way better than the last video that I did my wash and go on. It looks better. However, I'm still not convinced that I'm a wash and go girly. Now, that is okay. You don't have to always be a wash and go girly. It's okay. I'm more of a twist out. I'm not gonna fluff the roots. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I don't know. Do y'all like it? Drop down in the comments and let me know if y'all like it. What I do need to do is put some edge control on my edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys what I like about bananas and what I dislike about it. Now, what I do like about bananas, we're gonna start off with the likes, okay? Now, I do like it gave a hard hold. So let me shake it so you can see how hard it is. So you see the shake, and it definitely gave a hard hold. It definitely gave some shine to it. It gave a hard hold like the custard. But I think what's different with the custard that I noticed that the custard, it gives a different type of shine or some type of like glossiness over it versus this one. This one doesn't have that glossiness, but it definitely gives shine. Now, if you use the Big Girl, you probably know what I'm talking about. And I'm talking about the Big Girl custard. So you definitely know what I'm talking about when I say it gives off like this glossy shine. But this one gives off just like a regular shine to me. And then also, Big Girl custard it's a more firm hold than this one. This one's definitely a hard hold, but that custard definitely gives a hold. But what else I like about bananas? I also like the texture of bananas. It's not watered down like a regular gel, like the regular clear gel. It's it gives like a thickness to it. It's thicker than like the clear gel, but not as thick as the custard, if that makes sense. When I apply it onto my hair while it's wet, it stops the water from dripping. I like that. Instead of it keep dripping off my hair because it's not watered down. Or what I mean, the bananas is not watered down. But when I apply it to my hair, it soaks up all that water. It seems like that's what it's doing. It stops the dripping. So I like that. I also like how I did create my curls. But I need a wash and go that I don't have to shingle. This shingling takes a long process. So speaking of that, let me tell you what I dislike about bananas. I dislike that it takes forever to dry. Y'all, if y'all do not get under a hooded dryer and you decide to dry your hair with the handheld dryer with the diffuser on it, oh my God, it's gonna take forever. So the drying time is very lengthy, so I don't like that. I don't like that it comes in this type of bottle. I don't know why it doesn't come in a container like this. Why do it? I cannot talk right. Why does it not come in a container like this? I don't know if I said that right. Why it don't come in a container like this where I can just dip my hand and go? Instead, I had to pour it out into my hands. And you know, when your hands are constantly with product on it and it's wet, sticky, grabbing this bottle, it didn't slip. It was just harder to squeeze out sometimes, especially when your hands are wet and also have product on it. It's kind of hard to squeeze the bottle. And that's about it. So I gave y'all the reason why I like bananas and a couple of reasons why I didn't like it. But overall, I think I mostly like the bananas versus disliking it. Now, is there something I can use to do a wash and go without having to shingle or almost finger curl my hair? I want to be able to just do the wash and go, rake through it and go. You know what I mean? I don't want to have to part in small sections. I don't have to do the things in small sections. That's just a lengthy wash day for me, and I'm going to not want to ever do wash and goes. But if there's something or some tips or tricks that y'all can give me to not do the shingling with the wash and go, go ahead and drop that in the comments. If you made it this far into the video, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button, hit the notification button. And you guys, I'm about to go to bed. I am sleepy. I'm about to throw a button on and go to sleep, and we'll see how my hair do in the morning. If it turns out crazy, I'm going to throw it in a bun and call it a day. You guys, thank you for watching this video. Until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
My appetite. Don't leave me